ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय श्लोका 72 श्लोका 73 वेदान्तवेदसुस्नाते गीताया अपि कर्तरि परितापवते व्यासे मुह्यन्यञ्जसा सागरे तदा त्वया पुरा प्रोक्तं चतुश्लोकसमन्वितं तदीयश्रवणात् सद्यो निर्बाधो बादरायणः Vedanta Veda Susnade. So, even the Vedas, Vedantas, and all the authors who had well versed in them, Gitaya api kartari. Gita means the Bhagavad Gita. Api, now, kartari means they have been doing the recitation. Paritapavati Vyase. Even who is well versed in it is our Maharshi Vyasar. Vyasar knows every Vedas, Vedantas, Upanishads, everything. But Paritapa means a little bit of sadness, a something mental dissatisfaction. Paritapavati, who had the mental dissatisfaction, was the Vyasa Muni. Vyase Muhyat Ajnana Sagare. Muhyat means very much great. Ajnana. Ajnana means ignorant. Sagare means the ocean. Muhyat Ajnana Sagare means Vedavyasar was infatuated in the ocean of ignorance. Tada tvaya pura proktam. Tada, at that time, tvaya, Narada Muni, pura, when it was in the past, proktam, initiated, chatushloka samanvidam. Chatush means four, shloka. The whole Bhagavatam itself is included only on the four shlokas, which is Chatushloka Samanvitam. Samanvitam means which has been consisted. Tadiya Shravanat Sadhyo. Tadiya, at that time, Shravanad, listen to that. Sadhyo, instantly. Nirbadho, all the ignorance was taken away. Badarayanaha. And Badarayana means the torments. So all the sadness and torments had been removed from the Vedavyasa. So, Vedanta Veda Susnade Gitaya Apikartari Paritapavati Vyase Mukyat Ajnana Sagare Tada Tvaya Pura Proktam Chadushloka Samanvidam Tadiya Shravanat Sadhyo Nirbado Badarayanaka. That means when Vyasa, even though adept and well read in the Vedas and Upanishads, and Vedavyasa is the author of Bhagavad Gita, he was infatuated in the ocean of ignorance and was greatly agitated through mental dissatisfaction. At that time, the Narada Muni initiated him in the Bhagavata, which was consisted in the four verses. And after hearing that, Vedavyasa instantly became free from all the torments. Vedanta Veda Susnade Gitaya Apikartari Paritapavati Vyase Muhyat Ajnana Sagare Tada Tvaya Pura Proktam Chatushloka Samanvitam Tadiya Shravanat Sadhyo Nirbadho Badarayanaha. Thank you. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.